Okay, so today I've got the Campark X30 action camera, and I've used a couple of Campark products recently, and I've been really impressed. And the price um, is so good, and the quality. And this has got a Sony sensor in there, and if I can get it open. Oh, need to go along the fingernails. There you go. So this particular one has touchscreen. They say it's true 4K. It will do 60 frames a second, but the true 4K is actually 30 frames per second. It's got 170 degree field of view, but there's a middle and a narrow as well, so that can be reduced and brought down more. We've got Wi-Fi, adjustable field of view. As I said, it's got wide, middle, narrow. 20 megapixel photographs, and there's also, when you take a photograph, you can zoom as well up to 2 times, which is quite handy for an action camera. Inside you have the manual. Now, all of the Campark manuals are absolutely spot on. Whoever they use as a technical author, it's all readable, it all makes sense. There's no, what should you call it, Chinese cross English. It's well laid out, well written, and really easy to go through all the functions. Plenty of pictures, plenty of diagrams, and yeah. So while we're in here, when it comes to recording, you've got 4K 60, 4K 30, 2.7K 30, 1080p 120, 1080p 60, 1080p 30. You've then got 720 at 240, 720 at 120, 720 at 60, and 720 at 30 frames a second. So you've got some good slow motion there. Electric image stabilization, distortion correction, white balance you can set to auto, sunny, cloudy, incandescent or fluorescent. You can adjust the exposure, basically +3 down to -3. Metering mode, you've got average, center, spot, matrix. Sharpness, high, middle, low. Video quality, high, middle, low. You can set the ISO as well, manually if you want to, from 100 up to 6400. You can put the watermark on, i.e. time and date. Sound, we've already said about the field of view. So slow motion is 1080p 4 times, 1080p 2 times, 720 8 times, and 724 times. You can do loop recording. It's time lapse, photograph. Yeah, there's a lot of good points with it. The app is really good. In fact, there's the app at the moment running from one of their cameras just here. So, and you can alter all your bits and pieces from the app. Oh, literally every box there'll be an offer to do a review, and well, there's a $20 Amazon gift card, a dual slot charger, 30 gig micro SD card, and small tripods and selfie stick, etc. So yeah, it's in the box. Then we come to the camera. There's the camera in the housing. So your standard style housing. This, which is quite nice, comes with 2 batteries. So, pretty good start. Let's see if any of the batteries have got much charging. On and off. Yep, we've got some charge. And this is nice. It on the initial startup, you get instructions. So select mode for your recording. Just touch down the bottom there. Click here to enter settings. Click here to enter album. Slide down to open quick view. Slide around to switch shooting mode. Press shutter button to start shooting. And recommended SD cards. And you can scan the QR code for the camera app. So it's quite a good start for you. Okay, so now we're in. This is still, actually, I'll peel this. Oh, we're going to get that because I haven't put a card in. Anyway, let's peel this off. Yeah. It's a really nice screen. I don't know how well the reflections will come out of the camera. But yeah, it's a really nice screen. Touch here, so you can change this, like the quick menu here. Settings here. You can go through. So Wi-Fi, reset. There's all your different settings there, and the menu I find really easy to use. So it's very responsive. Obviously, you won't have anything to play back because I haven't recorded anything. Okay, you can see it's very, really nice touch screen. All in all, a really nice camera. In fact, the camera up here is the Campark X5, which has got an external mic you can put onto that one, and the camera here is this very camera, or another one of these. So you'll get an idea of the quality indoors. I was going to take it outdoors and do some filming outside, but the weather has definitely put a stop to that at the moment. So I mean, action cameras aren't really designed to be used inside. You get much better results outside in the natural light, but I'm afraid at the moment it's absolutely chucking it down. So I will try and get some footage before I put this video up, but if I don't, I'll add some at some time. But if you're looking for an action cam for good quality at a really reasonable price, you can really beat this. It's a really nice camera. It comes with all the normal bits and pieces, a whole box full in here. All the GoPro type bits, handlebars, Velcro straps, sticky pads, lens cleaning cloth, zip locks, the back with the holes in, so charging lead, different mounts, and one of these. You've got all your normal mounts are there. And there it is, the Campark X30. Excellent little camera, excellent value for money, and Campark's customer service, I can honestly say, is absolutely second to none. If you email them, you will hear back, depending on the time of day, within a few hours, or at the latest the following day. Yeah, I mean, it's the kind of customer service that you just don't get these days normally. So yeah, great buy. I'll leave a link to it down in the description, and the next one I'm going to be looking at is the Campark 20 megapixel trail camera. So look out for that. That will be coming up very soon. And oh, and another one will be this one. This is Campark X5 4K. It's not touchscreen, however it does come with a remote, and it does come with an external microphone jack, 2.5mm rather than standard 3.5, obviously being such a small camera, but you can get an adapter, and those two here will be on YouTube shortly, as soon as I get round to getting them done. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, please subscribe, hit the bell so you get a reminder, and it's always nice to get a comment. If you want to leave a comment, I'll always reply. Thanks again, and I'll see you with the next one.